After eating chicken like this, I never want to eat it any other way. We're going to need 3 chicken breasts. Season them with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and mix the blend. Let me know which chicken recipe you like to make the most. I'd love to know. Add 3 garlic cloves, parsley to taste, squeeze half lemon, and spread the seasoning well over the chicken and then let it marinate for 10 minutes. In a frying pan, add a drizzle of olive oil, the chicken breasts, and let them fry on both sides. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it melts, add 2 tablespoons of flour and stir it. Then add 500 grams of milk little by little while stirring. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Pam Nerd Enhanced from Texas. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Add salt to taste, lime zest to taste, squeeze half lime, add 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, and stir it all together. You guys, make this recipe at home. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Put the chicken breasts inside the pan, on top of this sauce, parsley to taste on top of everything. And our chicken is ready. Look how delicious it is. I hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.